Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to disable automatic updates in CapCut on Windows, so you can keep your current Pro version and stop the app from forcing updates. It's very simple. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Download an older version. First, go to the uptodown.com website and search for CapCut Windows. Scroll down to the Versions section and choose an older version, like 6.0 or 6.4, which work perfectly. Download it, install it, and most importantly, if CapCut asks you to update, do not accept it. Step 2. Show hidden files. Open this PC, then click on File at the top and select Folder Options. Go to the View tab, Enable, Show hidden files and folders, and disable Hide extensions for known file types. Then, click OK. Step 3. Now, go to This PC, Users, Your Name, App Data, Local, CapCut, User Data, Download. You'll see a JSON file here. Right-click, select New, Text Document, and rename it to update.exe. This file will prevent CapCut from detecting updates. Right-click on the file, open Properties, check Read Only, and click OK. That's it! With this method, CapCut will no longer update automatically, and you can keep using your Pro version without issues. Now, here's how to use CapCut Pro features without paying a cent. First, open CapCut. Go to the Settings, here in the Save To. Change the folder to something simple like Documents. Now, create your project. Import your clips. Add anything Pro you want. Music, stickers, effects, even the Pro-only stuff. When you're done, select the whole timeline and right-click and click Create Combined Clip. Then, right-click again and click Pre-Process Clip. Wait till it's done. Now go to your folder Documents. Open CapCut Draft. Make sure you open the correct project, resources, and combination. And voila! Your video is there. No watermark. All Pro features totally free. Like and follow for more editing hacks.